you. Craig. Like Craig. Put food on him now. Yeah, it's funny. Yeah, and I have to take a picture. Great. Who doesn't like a coconut? I'm very proud of myself.
That's honestly a great idea, though. So yeah, Monty, I met earlier that morning. He's carrying a coconut around with him that he named Craig, and he was taking pictures with Craig, the coconut, out like with landscapes, and he would post it on Facebook and stuff. So it's kind of like, instead of taking selfies of himself, he was actually taking pictures of a coconut called Craig. I thought it was kind of a cool idea. So
any questions along the way, please don't hesitate to ask any one of us. That's just what we're here for. Exiting the harbour, we have Development Falls up to the immediate right-hand side. Milford's tallest permanent waterfall at 160 metres or 526 feet. Forest ridgeline parallel top of White Peak, which sits up high even as on the left there. So dangerous the upper reaches though.
Yeah, I used to be quite good at it.
see, now this kind of reminds me of what? The movie Castaway.
Yeah, the Wilson.
Instead of Wilson,
Someone
it's
says
like a coconut.
Yeah, it's basically.
And then you should make a video and chuck it off.
No, you monster.
You'd probably actually get in trouble doing that.
I'd never do that. But like, I kind of like. Maybe I can find
The coconut project. Are you adding it in to make it look like another hill, like another mountain?
what I was trying. I don't know. I try multiple things. It depends, you know. Sometimes it's part of the landscape. Sometimes it's the landscape.
Yeah, you gotta be creative with it.
He's like doing a quiz or something. That's so cool though.
He's getting his online degree.
The radiator. I like this book. It's so cool. I'd love to be able to understand what everything does. Fuck yeah, I'll get myself some tea with the food. What's that? I'm easily distracted. Look, Jack, I'm flying.
Oh, chicken falafel?
Yeah.
Looks good.
Yeah, it's my favorite season. Sauce already in? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to toast it?
Yes, please. If I can.
Is there anything you don't like?
More pronounced. It really does give the impression of this area just being a solid piece of green coastline or continuous mountain range when viewed from further to sea. And that's the most likely reason
Trying to give perspective just to show in the video like how big it is. Yeah, with the cocoa bar. Yeah.
It's a whole mountain.
See, the mountain is about 1, 2 and a quarter Coca-Cola bottles, and the small Coca-Cola bottle.
It's okay. It's maybe one big.
We got really lucky. It was a really nice day. Apparently, it's only 100 days out of the year don't rain in Milford Sound. So we got really lucky. We got a perfect day. It was absolutely beautiful. So it was really nice. Completely clear. You could see the tops of the mountains, which is not normal. So we went on this cruise. The cruise was about, well, I wouldn't call it a cruise. It was like a boat tour, all the way out to the ocean, and it was about like an hour and a half long cruise. most of the first 3 days driving around the bus, there's a lot of bus time. They did take a lot of stops, so it was really cool. There's a lot of bus time, so you got to really meet other people on the bus, and really a lot of time to rest and stuff throughout the day. Plus, it was just so scenic that it was absolutely beautiful the whole time. I was never bored at all. I heard of a lot from other people that experienced and did the bus tour, and they didn't really like it that much, just because I guess the weather wasn't as good, so you can't really see as much. But we were absolutely blessed with really nice weather the entire time, so I absolutely loved it. The entire 3-day experience there, driving around, past tons of lakes, just mountains, crazy, just listen to some music, rest out, and just enjoy the scene. It's just a movie. It's like a movie going on outside. Absolutely incredible. Saw a lot of sheep. That's very stereotypical of New Zealand. A lot of sheep. So on the way back, we're driving. It took quite a while. We switched buses. We ended up on a smaller bus to go to Invercargill. I think I'm saying it right. And end up going to Invercargill for the night. It was a small town. It was pretty chill, really quiet that night because it was a Sunday night. So. What do you say? Just seeing what's going on in town. They have some like old comic type stuff, and then like a farm over there.
Yeah, that one's really cool.
Some like secret flight details. This is like a game or something here. Lost Valley.
Pilots and commands, I Richie. Co-pilot is students, Ace.
Alright, let's go. $4, 25. We need to work this airplane today. There you go. Alright, Invercargill, I can't really say it, but it's Sunday night. It's pretty much dead quiet. My roommates are chill, so it should be just a good night to just chill out, get some rest, since I haven't gotten much rest the past couple days. I've only gotten like maybe a total of 4 or 5 hours of sleep the past 2 days, so it'll be nice to get some rest tonight, to charge back up for the rest of the time here. So tomorrow morning, head to the Bluff and a couple other places, so it should be a fun time. Alright guys, that's the end of part 3 of Destination New Zealand. Part 4 is next, obviously. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but part 4 is next, if you can't count. So basically, the next day is we go down to the beach, we go to the Catlins. I get to see some 25 million, 250 million year old trees, really cool fossilized trees. So stay tuned, that part's coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because you know everyone's doing that nowadays. And yeah, stay tuned, part 4 coming up.